if I just record right now? Mr. Bro, Alex! Do not shut the. Okay, what is wrong? Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. You're right. I hate this. I hate my life. Yeah, bro, bros keep eating whatever, right? Aw, man, not the coffee man again, bro. I hate coffee. I hate that guy. I hate him. Wait, what? We just look exact. We just look. Oh yeah. Get your big ass glasses off my face, Alex. Mother Nature. No way he's gonna come again. What? Are there any patients? Mother. Okay. Patient room 4. Wasn't beat my granny, he got hit by a bazooka. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. I was in my room trying to teach my little sister. No way that we can actually throw patients in the trash can. If we could throw patients in the trash can, that would be so stupid that I absolutely hate. Okay, Brisky's good. Rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by a bazooka. Room 3. Everyone go work on room 3. Rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by a bazooka. And I think about him every time I hit the hookah. Kaboom, kaboom. What the frick was that? Why is the lights flickering? Oh, never mind. No. You're never letting an anomaly. Oh no. Bro's going crazy. Okay, no surface. I'm leaving. Okay, why am I going crazy right now? Yeah, what's wrong? Wait. I'm actually being dumbass. This way. Okay, show off your picture, but mother. Brisky's in room 1. Alex, work on. Walk faster, bitch. Why did I say that? Take an sample. You final. Bleeding. Okay. Brisky's bleeding. Okay, Bro's bleeding. Oh my lord. Okay. Oh yeah, you're good. Here for your point. Okay. Bro is not an anomaly in the cans. Let's see the can. What the frick was that? Get the frick away from me. That was a cursed picture. Oh my goodness gracious. No, open the shutters, bro. Wait, I don't know if Matthew. No. This is bad. Wait, oh, 2:20. Wait, I'm here for my appointment. Yeah. Yeah, no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. You're not good at your service, bro. I hate you. Get the frick away. No. Oh. That's the patient that I saw in a video. Oh, no. I mean, that is not a freaking patient. Oh, wait. Hello, my name is Buddy Hopper, whatever. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm here for my appointment. ... Okay. Alex, okay. Don't tell me you're gonna leave. Hurry up. Okay, and the cams, he's good? Bro's like, did you check the cams at first? Like at the, I don't know, thingy. Okay, Broski's gonna be in room 1. There are stories about this place. Okay, what? -1. Job's trash. He needs a band-aid. Oh no, I need a band-aid. Wait, whoa, what is that? Bleeding, yeah, he's bleeding. It's my brain, she get hit by a bazooka. I think about her every time I hit the hookah. Kaboom. Oh. I just looked up as fast as I can. I'm not even looking up. Are you stupid? Are you that stupid? Oh. So tickly. Okay, I'm doing good so far. Okay. Faster. Okay, I gotta lock in. I gotta lock in. I gotta lock in. Yes! I think Rose recall. No. Maple syrup and bandage. Maple syrup and bandage. Why am I doing that? Yeah, Alex is still here. Okay, the patient is recovering. Rafi. I love you. I love you, Rafi. I love Rafi. Whoa, what? Huh? Wait, let me check the cams. Okay, he's good. Okay, he's good. Okay. Okay, Rose is gone. Never mind. Okay. Oh. Goodness. Okay, Rafi. Okay. Let's all do this at the same time. Which one? Yeah. Dehydration, flu, fever. Someone had started a ritual. Oh my god, no. Wait, don't tell me they're an anomaly. Okay, I'm losing sanity. I'm at 15% sanity. Oh my gosh, I need some coffee. Thank you so much, coffee, for saving my life. Okay. So what's new? Okay. You know me, guys. I love the surgery part, like the headache and stomachache and Canadian. Okay. Yep, I do. Oh, it's almost at the same time. Wrap you. Hi. Nice face, Alex. I brought X Taser. Cool. I'm so rich too. Never mind. Okay, are we twins? We are triplets. We are triplets. We are triplets forever and ever. Well, what the fuck was that? Did I just witness something? I know he's not in it. Ron, why do you have a Roblox hair? I can tell that's a Roblox hair. That. Oh yeah, my favorite part. Yeah. Go faster. Wow. What? A piece of fire. Never mind. Did I just get trolled? Okay, Ron. I know it's the first thing that's gonna be dropped. Second one? Ugh. Heart. No, I mean heart. Organ. Okay. Oh yes, the lifesaver. Yes. Oh my gosh. Relief. Oh my god. What was that? Yeah, Broski's good. Wait. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I hate ritual candles. Rat bleeding. Okay. They have a rat. They need rat. They have something. I don't know what it's called. Take DNA sample. Okay. Good. No. Headache. Oh my goodness, I'm feeling something right now. Take care of your patient. What do you want? Mother, what do you want? Mother. Oh yeah, my bad. Yes! Phew. I love the heart scan. Oh. I'm getting out of here. What? Yo, what is he doing? What's wrong with him? Raphael! Raphael! You're a good guy. My name is Raphael. Raphael! My advice. Don't trust him. I know you're Raphael. I can trust you, Raphael. Patient's on fire! Patient's on fire! Wait. Patient on fire. Patient on fire. Where's the patient? And put back the finger. Now what do you want? Mother. Okay, he's good. Okay, he's good. Goodness. I really want to sleep, but I can't. Goodness gracious, it's 3:25 a.m. When the frick am I gonna sleep or not, bro? He will be the person who. No, wait. No. No. He's looking at the camera. No. Look at that. No. Get the frick out of here. Get the frick out of here. No. Look at the cameras, bro. Look at the cams. Look at the cams. Look at the cams. No. Look at the cam. No. Look at the cam. Look at the cam. No. Goodness. What was that? Okay, that was abomination. Damn, I ain't on it right now. Okay, he's good. My goodness. Hospital is not made for playing. Yay, my favorite part. Matthew! TV drops. This. Band-Aid. Yeah, what? Okay, medicine. No, not antibiotics. Medicine. Meat. No, I mean this. Medkit. Don't tell me Rafi's gonna die after this. Rafi, no. Rafi. Yes! Rafi survived. Yes! Get the record. From now on, these are my favorites, but I'll do them. Okay, number 4. Oh, never mind. I cannot sleep. I'm just wait. If I die, I sleep. Coffee time. Well, I really wish I have coffee in real life because yeah. But I hate coffee. There has been a huge anomaly attack. 6 people died and many were hurt. Look at the be prepared. The ambulance is coming. Okay, I'll be prepared for my gun. If I get the gun, what will I do? Never mind. You're fine. What the frick was that? An entity touched me. I lost every sanity that I had. Oh my goodness gracious, oh my gosh. That was a heart attack. Oh, okay. I have a bad feeling. Okay. Goodness. 3. Goodness, no. Bro was like, delicious. Okay, so this is the video. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Peace. Peace to y'all, and hope I see you in the next video. Bye.